Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Pune Apartment Listings. Thank you for tuning in. We bring to you today a 1100 square feet carpet area 3 bedroom apartment. This 3 bedroom apartment is in a single standalone building located in central Baner near Pancard Club. So this project does not have any amenities. You will be saving a lot of money in terms of maintenance. This apartment is an investor unit, hence it is still unused. You can very well make it out throughout the entire video. This apartment is unused. Now throughout the apartment, developer has given simple vitrified flooring. You can still see the freshly painted walls. What you see is what you get. This apartment is open from three sides. There is no high stories building, and that's your attached washroom. CP fittings, sanitary fittings are of Indian standards. Now this project has been developed by a very renowned developer from Kothurud. Hence that assures you of a quality construction. So this is your first washroom of the guest bedroom. Let's go ahead explore the living area. So that is your living area, friends. Rectangular living area, and right ahead is your dining section. Developer is providing you a open kitchen concept. So that's your entire living and dining. Nice and large. And there is one terrace connecting to this living section to my right here. This is a nice long patch of a terrace. I'll just take you through it. Let's go ahead. And it gives you a very bright view. This is a covered terrace, and friends, that's your view. There is no high stories building blocking your view. Very peaceful location, very peaceful society. Let's go in, explore the other sections of this particular 3 bedroom apartment. Living is very huge, something normally which you don't get nowadays in the newly planned bedroom apartments. So right ahead is a chef's kitchen with two parallel platforms and a separate dry balcony space. So this is the enclosed dry balcony here that the developer is providing you. You will see designer tiles on the dado walls. Lower kitchen cabinet as it is. What you see is what you get, friends. The chef's kitchen is very sufficient for two people to cook here. So what you see is what you get with lower kitchen cabinets. And this is your dry balcony with a separate sink for the maid to wash the utensils here. Sufficiently spacious kitchen given in this 3 bedroom apartment. Now friends, right ahead is the kids bedroom, and to my left is your master bed. Developer has given you standard room sizes which are sufficient enough, and in each room you can easily lay out a king size bed. Let's have a look at the master bedroom. Upon entering the master bed, that's a master bed and this is a master shower. 4 by 8 CP fittings, sanitary fittings, they are of Indian brands. Let me take you through the master bedroom. Everybody please have a look at the apartment properly. How well polished the apartment is, how clean the apartment is. Look at the freshly painted walls and have a look at the tiling work. Crystal clear. This is clearly an unused apartment, and there's one window here facing an empty land parcel behind. Sufficient electrical points are given by the developer in each room. There's a provision for AC in each bedroom again, and one in living room. This 3 bedroom apartment in Baner is very close to your Balewadi High Street, your Pancard Club, your Mumbai Pune Express Highway. All the schools and hospitals are nearby. Major colleges are nearby. Since we are in Baner, now let's go ahead and have a look at the kids' bedroom right ahead. This is your final bedroom. Let me take you through the washroom of this bedroom. So your hand wash counter, and to the left is your washroom. This property is ideal for buyers who can't afford to buy a fresh product, because this property can be purchased at a very affordable price, that is 1 crore 20 lakhs. And this is your final bedroom, the kids bedroom. Have a look at it. All room sizes have a standard dimension, and the location is prime since this is Barner. If you have liked the video so far, please give us a call. We are requesting you to please share this video with your friends and family who are looking for a ready to move in 3 BHK apartment in Barner below 1 crore 25 lakhs. Also, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can stay connected with us. We keep regularly uploading listings across Pune. To inquire for this 3-bedroom apartment, please give us a call on the numbers in the description box below. We are available over a call and WhatsApp messages also. This 3-bedroom apartment can be your new home. And friends, this is the car parking space. Thank you for watching. Stay subscribed. Have a great day.